Have you ever watched a softball game and noticed something a little different about first base? Instead of just one, there are two. Why on earth would that be? Well, it's actually a brilliant safety feature designed to prevent those often painful collisions at a crucial part of the game. Imagine this: you've just smacked a hit and you're sprinting to first. At the same time, the first baseman is stretching, trying to catch the ball to get you out. This creates a high-speed collision risk, right? That's where the two bases come in. We have a white base, which is in fair territory, and an orange or colored base, which is in foul territory. When a batter hits the ball and runs to first, their primary goal is to touch the orange base. This keeps them safely in foul territory, away from the first baseman. Meanwhile, the first baseman always uses the white base for making plays. This creates a clear, separate path for both players. There are a few exceptions, like if a throw pulls the first baseman into foul territory, or if the runner needs to quickly overrun and return to the base. In those cases, the runner might temporarily use the white base. Ultimately, having two first bases significantly reduces the chance of injuries from collisions, making the game safer and more enjoyable for everyone. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective rule change that truly puts player safety first. Subscribe for more amazing facts.